Hello guys, welcome back to Android coding tutorial. And this I am continuing with my previous app, which is phone authentication. And in this part I focus only UI part. So let's get started. Open Android Studio. Yeah, our Android Studio is now open. And here choose our previous activity is phone authentication app. Now here I am working on an XML file layout. So click to resources folder and then layout and click to main layout, and here delete this text and first I am copy my some pic which is used in this app. So copy it here and now copy it and paste to drawable. So click here and paste it. Now paste is drawable. So, okay. Now here is error. Now refactor this name. Click refactor, rename and delete O and TP is PNG. Now this is correct. Now close this, and here first I drag image view and now I take here two edit text, one for a country code and another for a phone number, and also I pick a button and connect both side and up and down. Now our button is correct place. Now our UI is for main activity is almost complete. Only replace this pic is left. Now ID for this button is font text for text number. Now I edit this button text to send OTP. Here click to send OTP. Now click here to split code. Now click here to split, and here delete this part and type src and phone. This is a phone logo which I used this app. Here change to bit layout to 50 dp. Now it's too small, so I change also height. Now it is too teeny, so change this height to 200 dp, and also I change this to height 200 dp. now this is perfect. So drag in this center, here centered it. Now here I given some hint that user easy to find which purpose is used to that the here. Now click here, edit text, text number here, click enter and hint. Now hint is our country code plus 91, which is our country code, that is hint to the user. And also here other text, edit text box, hint is enter your phone number. So typing enter your phone number. Now our main activity UI is complete. Now it is too perfect for basic app. It's look so pretty. Now click here to app and new, and here goes to activity, and click to empty activity, which I choose for my news. Here rename this to OTP activity, and now enter. And this is add our project to OTP activity. Now again new and activity, and choose a empty activity. Now empty activity, and here rename to home activity. Now this is our third activity, so home activity, click, and it also graded. Now I simply UI part work on a OTP activity, so this to take a two time. It's too late. Now it's complete. Here okay, click to OK key and close it. And now going to main activity, and copy this whole code, copy, and click to OTP activity, and then click to split and paste it here. Paste here easily. Now delete this extra added text, this here, and reset this with easily, and change this icon to TP, which is OTP icon, TP. Now this is correct. Now here now center it and edit this button, reset, set all thing, edit this button text to verified. Now verified, and also change this ID. So here delete this, and OTP test. OTP text is my new ID for this button. Note it is verified. It's too similar. This verify. Now this set. Here change also OTP text, edit text OTP. Now change here to OTP, edit text OTP. Also change here edit text OTP now. Now our OTP activity is too closely complete, but I got one error here, red mark. Click here and this here and add. Now this error is temporarily gone. Now click to home activity, and here I take a image view, drag and drop here. Choose this home image and fit it with all the side, and it cover all entire space in the activity. Now I'm choose button and set this button here. Now added this name to logout, and also ID. So click here, change to ID, button logout. Thanks for watching this, and next video is coming. Please subscribe my channel.